it's Mike Ritchie with the Ritchie Law Firm. I'm going to talk to you about what happens if you want to change your doctors, or how do you get a doctor when you've been injured in a workers' comp case. All right, so let's start right at the very, very beginning. Look, when you get hurt at work and you believe it is some sort of workers' comp injury, you need to report it right immediately to work. And at that point, you should ask to see the doctor, and your employer should provide you with what we call a panel of doctors. And there should be 3 doctors from separate practices, okay? And all 3, and you should choose one of those 3 doctors, and then that doctor is the doctor that you go to. If you get that panel and they're not doctors, there aren't 3, or it's 3 doctors and they're all in the same practice, that doesn't count, okay? It has to be 3 separate doctors, 3 separate practices, okay? Now, once you have a doctor and that's been established as your doctor, there's really only 2 ways that doctor can be changed, okay? One is if your doctor themselves refers you somewhere else. So, Dr. A says you go to Dr. B. Well, now Dr. B is your doctor, and Dr. A, so long as he's still treating you, right? Or it could be Dr. A says, go to Dr. B and I'm done with you. And in that case, now Dr. B is your doctor, okay? So anytime that one of your workers' comp doctors sends you to another doctor, that's it. And you always are allowed to ask. I mean, you can certainly ask your doctor, hey, can I see this doctor? Can you send me here? If you're going to send me to this kind of doctor, can you send me to this doctor that's near where I live? Okay, I mean, you're allowed to ask, that's fine. The other way that you can change is if you feel that you're somehow not getting the treatment that you deserve, that the doctor has abandoned you, has been unwilling to treat you, or that you need something that the doctor is unwilling to do, you can go to the commission and you can ask the judge at the Workers' Compensation Commission to change your doctors. And what you have to do is show that Workers' Compensation Commission that you're not getting adequate treatment from one doctor and that a different doctor would be a better doctor. You always actually have one other way to do it, which is you can always go to the insurance company and say, hey, look, I'd like a different doctor, give me a new panel. And they might, and if they do, then you can choose a doctor out of that panel. But if they don't, it's either a referral or you have to go to the commission. If you're having a problem with your doctor and you're concerned, hey, I'm not getting this kind of treatment, or I need to change doctors, and workers' comp's not willing to let you, and the workers' comp insurance company's not willing to let you, that's right away the time to call the attorney. Okay, if you don't have an attorney already, you need to call the Ritchie Law Firm, because this is what we do. We make sure that you're at the right doctor, that you're getting the treatment that you need, and that ultimately the insurance company from the employer is paying for that treatment. If you've been hurt in a work-related injury, call us here at the Ritchie Law Firm. We can help you.